Hello everyone, today we are going to prepare broccoli cheese rice cesserole. This is a special dish for Thanksgiving and Christmas specially. Take 400 grams broccoli and make pieces and keep it aside. Now take a pan, add some oil. Take one medium sized onion and make into small chops. Now add them. Sort them. This is a special dish for potlucks and when family get-togethers happens here. Now take the sorted onions into a bowl. Now take a pan, add some butter. Add 4 to 5 garlic cloves, chops. So let them cook for some time. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Slightly roast them in butter. We are going to prepare a sauce, white sauce. So add 1 cup of milk. Make a sauce with it. It's a thick, it's thick one. It's done, it's cooked well. Now keep this pan aside. Take another pan. Now add 2 tablespoons of butter. Add the cut broccolis and add little salt. Now sort them. We are going to sort it for 75% and we are going to bake them. So we are going to cook all these broccolis only just for 75%. Lightly salt. Don't pour any water in it because broccoli contains more water. Now add some salt in the white sauce which we have prepared. Keep it in the flame. Now add some rice. Cook it. Now add the broccoli. Mix everything well. Now add some cheese. Take some cheese and add it. If you have shredded cheese, it's good. If not, you can add the now. So this mixture have become thick, so we are adding some milk. Now add celery salt. If you don't have celery salt, you can avoid it. Add some red chili flakes. Add some parsley. If you don't have parsley, celery salt and oregano, you can avoid it. So oregano, the smell will be really good. Just mix everything well. Now add the cooked onion. We are going to bake it. So transfer everything into the baking tray. Just spread some cheese on it. So this is very delicious recipe. Kids love this. Cover this one. And we are going to bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes in a preheated oven. See, our broccoli cheese casserole is ready. If the leftover ones is there, you can eat with the chapati. Really tastes good and children loves them really well. Thank you. Thanks for watching.